just a good reminder that if you haven't updated your hurricane kit, maybe a good time to do so as the tropics are really starting to heat up. But I want to take you out to what everyone's been eyeing in the Atlantic, and that is Major Hurricane Erin. So I will say it looks like Erin's going through what we call eye wall replacement. This happens with these systems. They can't keep that well-defined eye forever. So that's why it's almost difficult to see where the center is, but I'd say right about there. Overall, we are seeing Puerto Rico and very heavy rain starting to move into the Dominican Republic. I mean, we're talking a lot of rain, which could lead to flash flooding, mudslides, even landslides, strong winds, and then obviously the seas are very, very rough across the Caribbean. Now, Hurricane Erin is a Category 3 hurricane this morning, and I want to talk about what happened yesterday and Friday. So we had our first hurricane of the season. Erin became a hurricane Friday morning, let's say around the 10 a.m. advisory. Again, Central Time. Then by yesterday at about 10:20, we had a major Cat 5 hurricane. So there was rapid intensification. Basically what happened is Erin moved into a portion of the Atlantic that the waters were piping hot, and it got rid of any dust. So it was able to strengthen. Now we're seeing, it's not moving over land, but a lot of those outer rain bands are. So that helps to decrease the intensity just a bit. But the latest forecast models have this strengthening again back to Category 4 before curving around the Bermuda High, moving between the eastern coast of the United States and the island of Bermuda. And you can see that with our GFS forecast model. It does a really good job at showing, okay, it's going to start to make that jog off to the north and east as we head into the middle end of next week. And then this thing is gone and dissipating. The problem is we are monitoring a few tropical waves behind it that could be bringing another round of some heavy rain to the islands of the Caribbean. I do quickly want to talk about the indirect impacts that the East Coast will be seeing. No, this storm is not going to be making landfall in the United States, but anybody from basically coastal Florida all the way up to Maine are going to be experiencing a high risk for rip currents, but also an increase in the wave heights, anywhere from 12 to 15 feet at times. So we continue to watch Erin. There's a small possibility that an area of low pressure could be developing off the coast of the Carolinas, but then it's this area shaded in yellow. Remember I mentioned that other tropical wave right behind Erin? Yes. Now it has a 20% chance for further development, and that is something that we'll be watching closely in the days to come.